Hi, welcome to the Peaceful Home. Today I'm going to clean out under my sink. This is a spot that just tends to get cluttered up over time and dirty. It needs to all get brought out, wiped out, and reorganized. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Teresaelling. I am a professional organizer, parenting coach, wife, and homeschool mom to 6 graduated kids. What is the state of the cabinet under your sink? Mine will look great for a while, but like anything else with organization, it has to be maintained. This is a power hour organizing project, easy to do in under an hour and so satisfying. This is what my sink looks like right now. It is a bit of a disaster. I've got some drawers that aren't really working for me, and I'm going to explain all of that, but first I'm going to clear everything out. Clearing out under the sink is very similar to clearing out in the bathroom. And if we've tried a product and we don't like it, we hate to get rid of it. It just feels like such a waste of money. But you don't get that money back by leaving it in your cabinet to clutter up your space. So sometimes you just need to get rid of things. You could try passing them on too. You can try donating or passing on to a friend that maybe it would work for them. So I cannot live without this. Stainless steel. I bought this spray for my stainless steel appliances and I do not use it. I just use an all-purpose spray, and so it's just kind of ridiculous to let this take up space. I don't use this either. I think somehow it was given to me. Let's see, water spot remover. I need to ask my hubby about that. We do have really bad water spots in the kitchen window especially. I'm betting that he bought that for that reason. Stove and grill and glass cleaner. Oh, I know what this is too. These are the chores my husband has. So he cleans the glass for our fireplace, and that's what this is. To be honest, I have never done it, so I wasn't familiar with that. Barkeeper's friend. This perfect sink solution I actually like for the sink, so I'm going to hang on to that. This is a spray for our horse. I don't know how it ended up in the kitchen. And this looks so sticky, but it is hemp seed oil for the butcher block. Extra filter for the water dispenser in the fridge, ant killer, which we need from time to time, but this has a box actually in the garage, so I'm going to move that out to there. I'll free up a little bit of space. Pink stuff, love this. Very similar to a natural cleaner I did in my laundry room video, but this one is more readily available, and I love it for scrubbing, and it is non-toxic. I just picked it up at Home Depot. And then this is a Carpet Miracle carpet cleaner. Not a sponsored video, but we ordered this off Amazon, and I can link it below, and it's worked really great for getting up spots on the carpet, pet stains, things like that. This is my favorite thing and my most annoying thing. I love this because it was attached to the door and so easily accessible, but I could never get both suction cups to stick. I've tried numerous things over and over. There would always be one that would stick really well, and then it would just slide down and be like this, and I'd have to kind of set stuff in there. So I have an idea that I'm gonna try out today. Things that I did love about these storage solutions. One is they are pull-out drawers. So necessary in my opinion. You can't be trying to climb all the way in the back of your under the sink cabinet. So having a drawer that you can just pull closer to you is really important. The other thing is it has these removable liners that can be easily washed. Now here's the main reason why I feel this isn't working for me. Most of my stuff was in the top shelf because the taller things really wouldn't fit down below. They have to be in the top. And even though the drawer pulls out, I had so much in there that it got really heavy. It was difficult to slide. And so a lot of times what I would do is just kind of throw my stuff in there. Or if it felt like that was full, I would just pile up things in the bottom or right in the front, so that when I open the cupboard, it's just filled with things that really aren't in their spots. So I'm gonna tweak a few things. I did get some things at Target. I'm gonna go grab those right now. I grabbed one of these Bright Room clear containers, and these work great in the pantry, in the fridge, bathroom, kitchen, and they function as a drawer because if you load them up in the fridge, you just simply slide this out and you can access the things in the back. I had this extra drawer. I love these Sterilite drawers actually. You can stack up as many as you need, and the pull-out drawers are really nice. I'm thinking for my sponges and extra brushes and things I don't use very often, I will load those in there, and then I will use this on the top as a second drawer. I also purchased this large Lazy Susan, and I got one this size for my pantry, and I love it. And what I'm thinking is it's big enough with the turntable that I can easily see everything that's on here, but it's not gonna be my stuff that's way up high that I can't see unless I literally bend over. So I'm hoping with this in the bottom, I'll be able to see at a glance and just turn the table, grab what I need. I really love having a drawer liner under the sink so that you can remove it and clean it. And it's so much easier than having to go in and clean the cabinet. The other thing you can do that's really nice is if you have any leftover laminate, even that peel and stick type or peel and stick linoleum tile, that works great under a sink. You can also try going to a flooring place and seeing if you can purchase a scrap of linoleum. Just cut it to size, slip it under there, and it will be so easy to wipe up any spills. I bought this set of command hooks with the little metal hooks at the bottom, and they're 2 pounds each, which means together they will hold 4 pounds. But my idea was to put these on the inside of the cabinet and hook these on, and hopefully I won't have my sliding problem anymore. Now I need to wait 1 hour before putting weight on it, but it looks like the measurement is going to be perfect. So here's a last look at the before. And here's what it looks like now. Love how the Lazy Susan is working out, and I'm able to quickly find what I want without having to bend down and look deep inside my cabinet. I have my dishwashing soap right in the center, just sitting by itself because we grab that frequently. And I ended up grabbing one more of those Sterilite plastic drawers. This enabled me to have sponges and scrapers in one and brushes in another. And then I use that clear container just sitting on the top that has my trash bags in it. This blue tub is a must. I just put it over on the side of the drawers. It's needed for foot soaking, for extra dishes, for all kinds of things. It's really handy. And this little caddy with the suction cups, I cannot believe the difference. I wish I had done this years ago. I've been wrestling with these suction cups for almost 5 years. And now I found the perfect solution. This is going to hang straight. And this is stuff that I access pretty frequently, maybe not every day, but several times a week. The plug for the sink, a razor scraper that's used for the top of my stove. I normally have white erasers in there, but I'm out of them. And always an old toothbrush. I make sure to wrap the handle in some kind of tape to let everyone know this is not for your teeth. This is a cleaning toothbrush. I keep these stainless steel scrubbies handy, and I ran to the store and stocked up on some more magic erasers. I cut them in thirds so that they last longer. And lastly, these plastic scrapers, which are so great for scraping cast iron or any pots or pans that have a buildup or burnt substance on the bottom. I decluttered quite a bit, and I put a few things that belonged in the garage out there, and that freed up some space, and now I just love it. A fresh look in under an hour. Comment below with what your cabinet is looking like right now and how you hope to change it. This was also a very inexpensive project. I believe under $20 for the 2 containers. Thanks so much for joining me today on The Peaceful Home. Have a great day.